here at the Embassy Suites, Tampa Downtown Convention Center. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2-queen suite. So we have the living room, dining room area that we're in right now, and we have the bedroom behind it. Let's go take a look. So of course we'll start off right inside the door. You have your peephole, usual safety information, fire map. Right next to the door you have a light switch that will turn on a light in the kitchen area. Out here you have a chair, couch, and a couple tables in the living room area with a lamp on the table in the corner. You also have a little window that looks out into the hallway. If you do want to close the blinds, just push them up. Across from the couch and chairs area, you have your TV entertainment center area with a couple of outlets and USB ports, and you got plenty of storage underneath. Working over, we have the thermostat up here on the wall. We also have your dining room table and chairs. You got your phone out here, as well as a sign for the restaurant downstairs. As you saw from the door, we have a big floor lamp. You also have a floor-to-ceiling mirror, and I will step out of the way here, so as you see, good, decent-sized mirror. Hello. Moving back, we come into the kitchenette area. So you have your coffee cups and machine if you want to use that, and they also let you know that they do have Starbucks downstairs. You have an ice bucket over here, a sink, a microwave, and a refrigerator, which as you can see I have a water and a Gatorade in there. As always, those don't come standard with the room. We'll spin around from the kitchen area. On the wall, as you come in from the living room on the left, you have 2 light switches. One of them will turn off the light above the kitchenette area, the first one here. The second one will turn off a light just next to the kitchen in front of the closet. We'll look at that in a second, but first we'll head into the bathroom. Coming into the bathroom, we have, again, 2 switches on the wall. This first one turns on a nice light around the vanity. Again, hello. Plenty of counter space. You can see a couple outlets as well. As we're thrown down here. And the second switch here will turn on a light inside the tub and also turns the fan on as well. Moving on from the bathroom, we come to the closet. You got linens for most likely the couch out there if you want to make that up into a bed. And also for extra privacy for the bedroom, you have a door that can be closed as well. Heading into the bedroom, we have a light right inside the door that will turn on this lamp, as well as a light overlooking the headboard of the bed. You also have a little table right inside the door to set some stuff on. And next we have our TV stand with plenty of storage. Got 3 drawers and a cabinet, and then of course the TV is sitting on top. And then the cabinet over here has a shelf for storage and also has your safe on the bottom. Working our way around, we come to the work desk. We have another lamp over here. There are also additional power outlets and USBs on the wall. And you have another mirror above the desk. Spinning around, we come to the main feature of the room. We got bed number 1, bed number 2, nightstand in the middle. And then you got your artwork above the beds, which, as I mentioned, the light switch will turn the lights on that you can see kind of illuminating that artwork. We're up on the 12th floor. This is a view outside of a parking lot and a somewhat view of the city. And last, we have, of course, the nightstand in between the beds. You have your phone, an alarm clock, and a little bedside lamp. The lamp does have power outlets and USBs. There's one behind the lamp, tucked away back there. There's a USB kind of on each side. All right, so this has been a look at a 2-queen suite at the Embassy Suites, Tampa Downtown Convention Center. As always, if you like the content, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below. And of course, ring the bell to stay up to date with all of my latest adventures. And until next time, this is Matt signing off. Have a good one.